Hi everyone, this is Mark Scheller, top 1% St. Louis Realtor, and I'm back today with a tech tip, okay? And this one is about surveys and plats and maps. I bet you're just thrilled with excitement. Okay, so let me get into this. As a realtor, one of the more common questions I get is, hey Mark, where are the property lines? Where does the property end? Where does it begin? Okay. And instead of realtors just looking outside and saying, well, it looks like the grass is kind of cut here and not cut here, so that must be the property lines, there is certainly a much better response. Okay, the ultimate response requires a realtor to go outside. Now, going outside is not always fun. It's hot outside, it's cold outside, it's wet outside, your shoes get muddy, there's other animals outside, but ultimately going outside is the best way to do it. But if we're online and we're not at the property, then certainly there are some online resources that are so helpful, okay? So I want to get into those next. I'm going to switch over. And if you can, would you please follow along with me? I go to St. Louis County Government as an example. And the main website where this information is called stlouiscountymo.gov. Okay, I click down on County Assessor, toggle down and over to the right where it says right here, Real Estate Information. Can you see that? Click on Real Estate Information, and then there's a search box where you need to highlight Property Address. For discussion purposes, today we're going to research a house that I have some familiarity with it. It's a 1299 Still House. And you go up here, here's the search results, and then please go, there's a little mapping icon right here that is shaped like the county of Missouri. Click on that, and here comes the software. Okay, all right, 1299, the house is right here in the middle. Can you see, okay, there's the house. There's a yellow or sometimes a blue crosshatched area where the floodplain lines are. So the floodplain for this particular property is not on the site, it's behind it, it's in the swale behind it. Okay, so this particular property would not need flood insurance. This shows where the approximate property lines are. There's actually an encroachment in the back. I've been to this house, I'm familiar with it. Okay, so the next phase is to look at historical aerials. This is just the aerial today. Okay, if you go in here to the layers, and you go down to the base map layers, you see where it says Aerial 2018. Uncheck that. Go down here to Aerials 2006, and we can see what the house looked like then. Okay, they have a new roof. We deselect 2006, and we go into 1995, and we're like, oh, well, isn't that interesting? There was no deck on the house in 1995. And you can just toggle through these different sites and you can find out what the house looked like in what year, which I think is a big help. Okay, last thing I want to touch on is the topography. This is how the property slopes down or it slopes up for people with children or dogs, or they want a swimming pool. The shape of the lot can be important from your computer for you to even choose if you want to go there or not, okay? So if we go into this menu here with the layers, see here where it says zoning and elevation layers? Check on it, go down, there's some FEMA floodway, click on contours, 4-foot contours, okay? And back to the property line, and if we zoom in here on the property, okay, here's the house. These burgundy lines are 4-foot contours. So from the top corner, this is the high corner of the property, 4 feet down, 8 feet down, 12 feet down. So over the length of this property, it goes down about 12 feet, and there is a pretty good flat spot right in the middle. So if a customer wanted a pool, or if they had 6 dogs, this would be a really good property for that, okay? So I hope this has helped. This is really a 14-minute video that I'm kind of squeezing into a shorter one. I hope this information has helped. Sometimes on the aerial views, we can go back and we can find where there was a junkyard, or we can find where there was livestock, or we can find where there used to be a gas station that maybe had some buried tanks or something like that. So the historical aerials can help as well. All right, I hope this helped for today. Enjoy your day. Write me back with any comments. And this is Mark Scheller signing off.